Quarantine. We've all been stuck in quarantine for the past eternity, and it's driven us to madness. But the question is, does the madness come from a lack of social setting or from the lack of a natural environment? Hello, my name is Joshua Perez, and today I would like to inform you how nature positively affects the body and the mind. I've been an avid hiker for many years, and I've studied and experienced the positive effects nature has on the body and the mind. I'd like to cover 3 ways how nature improves our body and our mind. The first being that the tangible touch of nature is beneficial to your natural body. The second, the exposure to a natural setting eases your body and mind. And the last one being how the exposure to nature improves your cognitive ability. The tangible touch of nature is very, very important. In the article Soil and Human Health, Current Status and Future Needs, it pulls information from various sources, showing researchers have proven that human exposure to soil microbe communities plays an important role in human health from a developmental and therapeutic perspective. This is supported by 2 main ideas. The first being that children at a young age, when they are exposed to outside, playing in the dirt, climbing up and down the trees, and running through the forest, it helps build their immune system. The second being that farmers outside in a farming community build a natural tolerance and have greater protection compared to those living in an urban environment. Now that we've seen how the tangible touch greatly impacts our natural body, it is now time to look at how natural environments can ease our bodies and our minds. Exposure to images and sounds is very important. Not only any images and sounds, but natural ones. In the research study, Stress Recovery During Exposure to Natural and Urban Environments, it shows that controlled lab studies have demonstrated beneficial psychological, stress, and physiological impacts from nature images and sounds. Researchers exposed 120 individuals to a stressful movie. Before, during, and after said movie, they recorded blood pressure, heart rate, and skin tension. After the movie was said and done, they exposed the same group of participants to a natural setting and an urban setting with sights and sounds. They found that those exposed to the natural setting recovered from the stressful movie in a thorough manner, but also very swiftly. Now that we've seen how sights and sounds from nature greatly influences our body and our mind, it is now time to take a look at how the exposure of nature improves cognitive ability. In the article Positive Effects of Nature on Cognitive Performance Across Multiple Experiments, researchers tested on backward digit span, also known as working memory. Now, working memory is a cognitive system that temporarily holds information, but is key for reasoning, decision-making, and behavior. Researchers presented a small group with a numerical sequence ranging from 3 to 11 digits and asked them to recite the numbers backwards. In 13 studies, following the initial test, the group was exposed to virtual reality nature, virtual reality pictures of nature, and also nature walks. Results showed that there was a significant time to environment interaction on backward digit span performance, or backward digit span performance improved when exposed to nature as opposed to an urban environment. In conclusion, the tangible touch of nature is very important to the body. The exposure to nature improves the cognitive ability, sharpening your mind, and it also eases your body and your mind altogether. We've seen studies to support the fact that nature plays an important role in our lives.